The human body functions on a simple diet containing only an acid-base balance. The units used to measure acids and bases is the pH scale. The pH scale measurement ranges from 0 to 14. A pH less than 7 means that something is acidic. With a pH of 7, it means that something is neutral, and if the pH is over 7, it is basic. A healthy diet consists 2/3 of bases and 1/3 of acids. However, we differentiate foods that are naturally acidic and those which produce digestive acids. Some examples of acids include vinegar, lemons, and citrus fruit. Some examples of bases include bleach, pure baking soda, and oven cleaner. A salt is the neutralization product which results when an acid and a base react. In other words, a salt is any ionic compound which is neither an acid nor a base. Acids and bases can be distinguished as strong or weak. When reacting with strong acid or base, it means that everything completely dissociates into its ion in water. The reaction goes to completion and all the reactant becomes product with water being excess. If the acid or base does not completely dissociate, it is known as a weak acid or base. Acids and bases are very essential to the human body. They function to balance the pH levels. Unbalanced acids and bases can cause many problems. One of the most common imbalances is in the blood. Others can occur in the brain, heart, and lungs. The most important thing to balancing acids and bases is that the blood gets the proper circulation to the body. Studies suggest that increased acidity or low pH in the brain is linked to depression, moodiness, memory loss, hallucination, anxiety, and restlessness. An edema can also form which leads to fluids filling the brain, resulting in rapid weight loss or gain. Unbalanced acids and bases can commonly cause heart or lung disease. Since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution in the early 1800s, fossil fuel power machines have driven a massive amount burst of human industry and advancement. The unfortunate consequence, however, has been the emission billions of tons of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into Earth's atmosphere. Relatively new research is finding that the introduction of massive amounts of CO2 into the seas is altering water chemistry and affecting the life cycles of many marine organisms, particularly those at the lower end of the food chain. Scientific awareness of ocean acidification is relatively recent, and researchers are just beginning to study its effects on marine ecosystems. Unless humans are able to control and eventually eliminate our fossil fuel emissions, ocean organisms will find themselves under increasing pressure to adapt their habitats, or they will slowly perish. For example, the increasing acidity will make it harder for corals to build skeletons and for shellfish to build the shells they need for protection. Corals are particularly important because they provide homes for many other sea creatures such as grouper, snapper, oysters, and clams, which would also be negatively impacted. And because this marine life is vital staple in many people's diets, the death of coral reefs would make the problem of feeding these groups worse.